Let's braid. Start with clean, fully detangled hair. Use your wide tooth comb first to remove any knots, then follow with your rat tail comb to smooth everything flat. Mist lightly with your spray bottle. The hair should feel slightly damp, not wet. Divide into 3 equal sections. Using the tail of your rat tail comb, part off a section of hair and divide it into 3 equal parts. Hold the left section in your left hand, the right section in your right hand, and let the middle section rest between them. Make sure all 3 sections are roughly the same thickness. Uneven sections are the number one reason beginner braids look uneven. Take the right section and cross it over the middle section, then take the left section and cross it over the new center strand. Repeat that alternating motion, right over center, left over center, is the entire braid. Continue all the way down, maintaining even tension on both sides. You're aiming for firm, consistent pressure throughout, not too tight, not too loose. And we are done. See you next video.